What's up guys, it's the Fix Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cheap and easy way to repair your seatbelts without buying brand new ones. This method will work on either a very expensive Ferrari or a cheap beater Civic, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So typically on salvage cars, when an airbag blows, the seatbelts should lock up also, and so is this front seatbelt locked up, although there isn't any airbags deployed over here. But my airbags fixes your seatbelts for a really cheap price, and pretty much the way a seatbelt works, there's ball bearings in it, and once your car gets in a wreck, it pops out and it locks up the seatbelt, so it won't work. Sometimes your seatbelt has to get repaired even if it's not locked up, because eventually, if the airbags are blown, the ball bearings will pop out on the road somewhere and the seatbelt's gonna get locked up, so you gotta ship it out and get it fixed. So my dad already started disassembling this one right here. I'm gonna show you how to do this one, the driver's side seatbelt, and the rear ones should be fine because there's no electrical mechanism attached to that. So this should be a pretty simple job. There's a bolt up here. Got to take off this trimming over here and a bolt down there. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is all you'll need. You'll need a gun with a 10mm. If you don't have a gun, that's okay. You can use a wrench and a T50 and maybe a clear remover tool to remove plastic panel. Alright guys, got both seat belts out, looking really nice, but now I gotta get the module out, which is on the other side under the seat. So here is the module, it's under this seat, and I'm gonna take everything apart off camera, and once I'm done, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I had to take out the driver's seat and the middle seat, and here is the module under the middle seat, and last thing you gotta do, that's it. Unclip this and the module is out. Alright guys, so here we have it. Both seat belts and the module are out of the car, and now all I have to do is send it out to them. They have a 24-hour turnaround time at the factory, and they'll ship it back to us, and we'll have to install them back into the truck.
So Paul brought the seat belts and module home. I got them shipped out to My Airbags, and today I got a notification that My Airbags has received the package and will be fixing our seat belts within 24 hours and sending it back to us, which we should receive them within another 4 or 5 days. So My Airbags doesn't only repair airbag modules and repair seat belts, they can also change the color of your seat belts, repair instrument clusters, ECMs, and much more. They also have over 150,000 happy customers and 1 million parts serviced. So I'm gonna drop a link of their website in the description below, and I would like to thank them for sponsoring our videos and supporting the channel. So hopefully in the next video we'll show you how we're gonna install them back into the truck and show you how everything works. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel right now. It's just down below. It takes one click. Make sure to enable the bell notification as well, and we'll see you guys next time.